Hi everyone, let's see how you can easily update your Dell laptop drivers in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply open your browser and type Dell drivers download. From the search results, go to the first web page. Here you need to enter the service tag number of your laptop, which you can find in a sticker located on the body of your laptop. However, if you can't locate this, there's a different way to find this. Simply go to terminal admin and type in the command wmic space bios space get space serial number and hit enter, and you will get the service tag number. Now you can enter this service tag number here, or you can also click here at the scan results done by Dell. Now scroll down a bit. You get the option of find drivers. Simply click on it. From here, select your operating system and you will get all the drivers listed here. So you can simply download and install the driver you want. Keeping your drivers up to date helps your laptop perform at its peak performance. So make it a regular habit to look for the updated drivers. The GPU driver that you will get in the Dell website, I'll not recommend you to download and install it because they are already backdated. To download the updated GPU driver, simply go to your vendor's website, either Nvidia or AMD, and download it directly from there. And this is how you can easily update your Dell drivers. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.